Okay, welcome back to Elite Exotic Essentials. You know me, Edward. Ah, man. So I know what you're thinking. Wait, what am I doing outside when it's snowing? Well, what I'm doing is I'm sledding. So there's a cool hill that I live by. It's a cool hill I like to go down during the winter. And I got a sled. My grandma got me a new jacket. I like it. So yeah, I want to go sledding and record like a GoPro of this, me going down. I went down, I think, head first from the sled. This is what the sled looks like. Yeah. And this is what the heel looks like. That's what the heel looks like. So I'm going to record me going down this hill, but as like a first person view. And we're going to have a good time. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And get to the video. Alright. Yep. Here you go, the heel. Okay, we're gonna go down. Woo! Yes, 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 yes! Okay, so that was kind of perfect. That's perfect. Came all the way from down there. Came up the small hill. I rolled over a little bit. And I made it. Because sometimes I'll be going straight down that hill and fall. Okay. Let me do it one more time. I'll be back. Okay, I'm ready. And then let me get down to business. There's a hole on this sled right here. There's a hole. Okay, let me keep going. Wait, let me pause it. Nice. Made it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out.